Now, we're just going to simulate some of the text out alarms that we can by manipulating some information within the database. So, as we go through this video, we will see that the site Raspberry Pi is turned off, so therefore its heartbeat is frozen. This will be being monitored by the Office Pi, and it will generate a loss of heartbeat alarm whenever the timer for this condition runs out. Now, first alarm that we're going to trigger is the chlorine high set point. As you can see, our high set point is set to 1.7, whereas our last read chlorine residual reading in the database is 1.44. So if we lower this high set point lower than the actual reading, we will generate a text out alarm for high chlorine condition. And we have that through. So now we'll bring the set point back up above so that the text won't come through again on the next read cycle. Now, one of the other alarms was that if the model output is outside of a tolerance of plus or minus 5%, then a reference set point, so here we have our set point reference, which is set to 1.65, while our model is suggesting a set point of 1.66. This gives us a live percentage error of 1.11%. Now, if this percentage error goes outside plus or minus 5% of percentage error, then we will generate a text out alarm. So to do that, we will just manipulate the reference set point to push the percentage error greater than 5%, and that will then trigger an alarm for us. As you can see, our percentage error is now 34%, and we've got our alarm. Now we just wait for our loss of heartbeat to come through. And we have our loss of heartbeat text out. So these are the couple of text out alarms that we can simulate here from the office by changing around some information. The fourth and final alarm we will generate on site by disconnecting the Ethernet connection between the PLC and the Raspberry Pi to simulate a loss of data migration. So we're here on site now to test the final text out alarm, which is a disconnection from the local area network between the Raspberry Pi and the PLC. We have all systems are running at the minute, as we have both heartbeats from both Pis as well as variables being updated. So now we'll just disconnect the Ethernet connection and wait for a text